It's just another day.
All right, so we're kicking off the unboxing of the HTC Vive units. I'm here with
How's it going?
Trond, so let's take a look at what we got.
Okie dokie. So we have some nice little piece of documentation here. Let's get rid of the extra crap on the table before we go. Some work in progress. A lettuce. On the other side we have like 3 big boxes in here. One with a handle. Looks like this is probably the Vive unit itself, I would guess. Let's pop that open first. Okay. Yeah, it's feeling like a nice little headset in here. Right. Good. Covered with sensors. And some sockets there. We've got a couple of USB sockets and an HDMI in the middle. And yeah, it's all very fuzzy and nice. We're getting it destroyed pretty quickly. Start using it. Some kind of VR unit. I'm guessing these is a it's got PC on one side, VR on the other. So at a guess, this is going to be plug it in this side, plug it out that side to connect to the computer. This presumably does some magic on the inside. A little piece of foam. Cables. We've got a USB 3, an HDMI. A joint cable that looks like a joint USB HDMI with some kind of power unit on it. I'm guessing that looks like a power cable there. Nothing indicating what it is exactly, but we'll find out. And then we have an actual power unit here. So at a guess, the idea is that this lot of cables are probably going to go from here to the headset, and then you're going to have your own cables running from the computer and from the power socket to this little control unit. So we'll find out if that's actually true once we get into the rules. So 2 more boxes. One of these is probably going to be a sensor unit. Yes. Yep, this is a class 1 laser device, so don't shine it in your eyes. And then we have some. This looks like class 1 laser product of Bell Corporation. There's an address and things. This looks like it must be part of the lighthouse unit, I guess. So we have some controls on the back there. And a big array of, I guess those must be laser diodes or something in the front. They look like light diodes or something. So we've got 2 of those, 2 units like that. And then we have a little box of cables, presumably 1 for each. We've got a couple of custom adapters for different nationalities. We have a power supply, 12-volt power supply, and yeah, okay, well that's nice and simple. What's that? That's one of those adapters. So we've got 2 of those little boxes, and we have these. These look like stands of some kind, I'm guessing.
And mounts.
Yeah, mounts for this probably. They fit on that. No, there must be some attachment unit between them. We have some wall and ceiling mounts here for setting it up somewhere. There's a piece of hardware that we will not worry too much about right now. And we've got some extra cables here. This looks like one really long audio cable. And some screws. Screws are important. Now, then there's something else in here that I struggle to get out. These feel like plastic stands of some kind. There we go, a pair of plastic stands. So, don't know what these fit onto, they go somewhere. Okay, so that's one pair of sensors. We have 1 more box to go in here, which I would guess is actually just more sensors. By the looks of it. No, hey, this is more fun. This is the input units. So these are kind of awesome. You got all the sensors on them here, and then you have a little thumb unit for steering and things and selecting. There's a trigger on the side, and a couple of additional power button things in there. It's a bit lightweight feeling. Feel that, Daniel. It's pretty light.
Really, actually, light. Yeah, that is.
I imagine they'll become a bit more robust by the time these things start to reach market. And then we have a couple of little USB dongles with Steam logos. So that's the top half of that box. Anything else in there? Some batteries. And this looks like a charger unit for each one. A couple of custom batteries. Let's see, batteries of some kind. Oh. Some charger units. And a piece of circuitry. What this is. What do you reckon? It's got a USB micro connector there, and then 5 pins. Not quite sure what that is yet. Guessing it plugs into something we have. Who knows? We'll work that out. But that's all the parts. Yep, that's everything we have. So we'll lay this out and take a nice big photo.
It's just